please subscribe my channel for more videos. It's a big help for my channel growth. We give you thanks prayer. Alarming signs that your blood sugar is too high. Maintaining balanced blood sugar levels is essential for overall health. When blood sugar levels become too high, a condition known as hyperglycemia, it can lead to a range of health problems, including diabetes and its complications. Recognizing the signs of high blood sugar is crucial for timely intervention. Here are some alarming signs that your blood sugar may be too high. Frequent urination, polyuria. One of the most common symptoms of high blood sugar is an increased need to urinate. When blood sugar levels are elevated, the kidneys work harder to filter excess sugar from the blood, leading to increased urine production. Excessive thirst, polydipsia. High blood sugar levels can cause dehydration as the body attempts to eliminate excess glucose through urine. This leads to a constant feeling of thirst as your body tries to compensate for the fluid loss. Extreme hunger. When your cells are not receiving sufficient glucose due to high blood sugar, your body may signal intense hunger even if you've recently eaten. This can result in overeating and weight gain. Unexplained weight loss. Despite increased hunger and food consumption, high blood sugar can lead to unexplained weight loss. This occurs when the body breaks down fat and muscle tissue for energy due to the inability of cells to access glucose. Fatigue. High blood sugar levels can make you feel unusually tired and lethargic. The cells in your body may not be receiving the energy they need from glucose, leading to fatigue and a lack of vitality. Blurry vision. Elevated blood sugar levels can cause the lens in your eye to swell, resulting in blurred vision. This symptom is usually reversible once blood sugar levels are normalized. Frequent infections. High blood sugar weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to infections, especially urinary tract and yeast infections. These infections may become more frequent or harder to treat. Slow healing of wounds. Elevated blood sugar interferes with the body's natural healing processes. Minor cuts and wounds may take longer to heal, and more severe wounds can become problematic. Numbness and tingling. High blood sugar can damage nerves, leading to a condition called diabetic neuropathy. This may cause numbness and tingling, usually in the hands and feet. Over time, it can lead to more severe nerve problems. Breath odor. High blood sugar can result in a sweet or fruity smelling breath. This odor may be a sign of a serious condition called diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA, which requires immediate medical attention. Confusion and irritability. Cognitive function can be affected by high blood sugar levels, leading to confusion and irritability. If you or someone you know experiences these symptoms, it's important to address them promptly. Nausea and vomiting. Severe hyperglycemia, often accompanied by DKA, can cause nausea and vomiting. This is a medical emergency that requires immediate treatment. If you experience any of these signs of high blood sugar, it's essential to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly, follow your healthcare provider's guidance, and make necessary adjustments to your diet, medication, or insulin regimen. Uncontrolled high blood sugar can lead to serious complications, including diabetic ketoacidosis, which can be life-threatening. If you suspect high blood sugar or have concerns about your blood sugar levels, consult with a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and guidance. Maintaining good blood sugar control is vital for overall health and well-being, especially if you have diabetes or are at risk for the condition.